Hi everyone. So I'm gonna try the Bop It XT carabiner test mode. So for this, you're gonna need to remove the battery cap. And while you're doing that, hold Bop It and hold pull it. So I'm gonna give it a shot. This one is a lot more tricky than all the other Bop It test modes that I did. I did a test mode on Bop It Extreme 2022 and then Bop It XT, and now I'm doing it with a Bop It XT carabiner. So pretty much this is the battery cap that pretty much activates these little batteries here. But while you're doing that, hold Bop It and hold pull it. So I did that, then I used my pinky to hold pull it. Hold it until you hear a beep noise, and then slowly put it back in. There it is. There's the test mode. I'm gonna keep it on there.
Twist it, pull it, flick it, shake it, spin it. Blue, yellow, black, green, orange, purple. Oh, what? Oh, high score, novice, expert, master. Wow, you beat Bop It. Bop It to keep going. Bop It to start. Solo, quiet, loud, blasting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 20, 100. Keep trying. You'll get it. Focus. Concentrate. I'm going to sleep, pro. Go. You can do this. Reflexes of a jungle cat. You're on fire! Oh, nice run.
Yep. So for the test mode, you need to spin it, and then it'll say number 6. And then it'll start playing all the sounds. So that's it for the Bop It carabiner test mode. Thanks for watching.